Well, it's here. Hurricane Irma is here. Well, if you guys see this, that means we are okay. So now the hurricane is coming towards Orlando. Hey, what's up, you guys? Today's Saturday. The hurricane is not here yet, but I'm just saying hello because I'm going to be posting a video on my feelings about everything, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm doing. And yeah, so I will see you guys later. Hurricane Irma 2017. Okay, so I just tried to go out to get a portable charger, and there's nothing anywhere. Nothing anywhere. Nothing at all. This is crazy, and the wind is starting to pick up, so I'm gonna go show you guys. It's nothing too bad, but it's picking up. These people are putting up boards.
Yeah. What's up? Safety
and you can see the wind. Hold on. Yeah, this party's Saturday, dude. So it's Sunday at 7 a.m. Like time frame. Woke up because of the dog crying, and the wind and the rain has started. The news is saying almost likely there's going to be tornadoes, and it's going to be kind of freaking scary. Right now, Miami has got it really bad, and so has the Keys, Florida Keys. They're already really flooded and without power. So yeah, we're just waiting till it comes here. So yeah, I'll catch back with you guys later. So still nothing too major, guys. That's why I haven't been checking in. We're supposed to get the worst like at 8 p.m. to next tomorrow. So yeah, I'm right now on we're watching with Patrick, Lemire, the homie. They're like, guys, like with YouTubers, I feel like just treat them like they're normal, because they are, and this guy here is like cool, and I consider him more as a friend than a YouTuber. Yeah, I like his content and stuff, but like he's just cool as hell, and I like to support him because people should support their friends, right? So yeah, and he's really cool because he's like always checking about like if I'm okay and stuff with the hurricane, and his mom is awesome too. So yeah, you guys should follow him. His name is Patrick Quirky.
JoA, I love you. Stay safe. Okay, I'm gonna do a backflip.
You see what I mean? He's awesome, guys. Go follow him. I'll put his links in the description. And yeah, so we're just here waiting for the storm. We feel like we're in jail. We can't move from here.
Kidding.
Okay, so I'll check with you guys later. Luna, say hi. Bella, Luna. It's kind of scary because right now Florida, you can't barely see it. I'm gonna show you.
I can't.
Hold on.
I can't do
You
that.
can't even see Florida. What is this?
Yeah,
But
it's always fun to
everyone stay safe.
Thank you, Anya.
So we're here chilling.
You know what, Joanna?
No permission to
Yeah, you don't have permission to record. But anyways.
We're under tornado warnings. Yay! My face is red. Oh no, it's ooh, yeah! There was tornadoes at touchdown.
8 o'clock now when the fucking tornado comes and you're fucking sober and you're just not.
Life is amazing.
everything.
So we're about to take a shot for the tornadoes and the hurricane.
Death shot. We're gonna die. This is a death shot. We're gonna fucking hurricanes, tornadoes, we're dying.
What time is it?
Just deal with it.
12:44 right here. 12:40 right here. 12:44. So look at this bottle right now.
It's 1 o'clock there.
That's the time. We're ready. 1 o'clock my ass.
Have anything to say before we die?
We are dying, guys. Nice meeting you. See you later.
Mom? I'm cleaning. So this is happening. Guys, we just have to have fun with it. we can't change the situation, so we just have to have fun with it. And just have to have fun with it. It's kind of sad, but what are we supposed to do in a bad situation? What's the matter? Why you fake crying? Why you fake crying? Are you hungry, baby? Right next to me. Is that a hungry cry? That's how he feels about Hurricane Irma. And the puppies. Stormy. Wait, guys. This is really happening. I don't know how to talk. It's really happening. But the wind hasn't started yet. How do you feel?
Good. I feel so good. Woo, can't wait for the sun to hit us. We all gonna die.
This is the spirit you guys gotta have instead of being depressed and being like, oh my god, it's not a joke, it's not funny. You have to have good spirits, guys.
Get the shots out here, because mom's gonna find something else.
Yeah, it's okay.
So we're trying to figure out a way to take the water out of the balcony because it's about to be a pool in here.
Let's see how it keeps happening. That's why I was waiting to see what it looked like. When
It's already
a little bit come through, a little bit come through.
Yeah, I think like they say 18.
This is gonna be a bad one, guys.
Yeah, so what we're doing, we're gonna have to move those two boards.
Say bye to the playground. We have our grill ready.
Right here. Right in front of the door.
Bridges remark on it as well. You can see our line.
Now I'm like, this shit.
Yeah, you're bigger, dude. Get away.
Get closer this way.
No, get a bigger camera.
I hate this so much.
That shouldn't be on the road because of exactly what you're seeing out here.
Sure.
Hey, can you come in?
That's the thing I've been hearing from residents in Hurriane County.
Irma.
They feel like they got the bullet, but it's
So, can you say?
They check on what they believe the homes that were destroyed. So far they haven't been able to probably injured, they're not sure.
She hates that collar. Jay, say hello to the vlog.
Yeah, because that was...
Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? I am posting 2 parts to the video for Hurricane Irma. The first part is this part where it's just pre-hurricane, little bit of fun. We're trying to just make it happy instead of depressing, and we have kids, so we're trying not to like get them scared. I do want to say sorry for the cursing, and the next one is the more serious one, and I think I'll post it in probably 2 days or maybe tomorrow, just depending on how busy I am at work and stuff. But I want to thank you guys so much for your support. I am safe and sound. My family's safe and sound. We had minor damage. You'll see that in the next vlog. But thank you so much for always checking up on me. And yeah, thank you. I love you guys. Bye.